Okay, we are going to navigate within the drive that corresponds to Amazon. Here you will find several folders, different folders for each of the locales that we are used to work for this client. For example, we can find Spanish from Spain, Spanish for Latam, Spanish International, and Portuguese for Brazil. Also, there is a folder that has all the style guides for the different locales and the different divisions. We have a drive sheet that has the most important information summarized. And we have another sheet that corresponds to the internal glossary that has all the useful terminology that we have received from different clients' feedbacks. Okay. So, for instance, if you're working with a project that corresponds to Spanish International and for the console division, you will have to go to the corresponding folder for Spanish International, and within it, you will find the folder for the different divisions. There you will go to console, and you will find a folder that has all the glossaries and the term bases already converted to use them in Xbench. And also another folder that has important documents like, I don't know, a style guide or maybe a newsletter or the complete term base or the complete glossary, the original one, is also within the references folder. So you will go to the glossaries and term bases to Xbench, and there you will have to download these files that are already converted to use them in Xbench. For example, a blacklist, a glossary that is already in TXT format to be used in Xbench. So with your deliverable file already downloaded from ATMS and these files, you will be ready to perform the QA within Xbench. Okay. You can also add to that check the internal glossary. If you go to the first page here, you can go to the internal glossary sheets, and there you have this glossary with the different locales with some important comments. So there you can copy the English column and the column from the locale that you're working on and paste it in a Excel file in order to add it to your QA in Xbench. Okay, so there you can add all the terminology that we have received from the different feedbacks from the client. Okay, this is very important to add it to the QA because we have all the latest feedback from the client and with some important comments to take them into account. Also, in the style guide folder, you will find different style guides from the different divisions or the general style guides that correspond to all branches or general guidelines that we have to pay attention to. So there you can find them also here, okay? And finally, in the Amazon Drive sheet, there you will have like the condensed information from the style guides and maybe some particular instructions for different specific projects that we can have. Okay, I hope this is useful for you. Thank you.